Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming access to the business profile because you need authority to edit or submit disputes. Once you have manager rights, open Google Maps and locate the listing showing permanently closed. Make sure to gather proof, photos showing the location active, invoices, or official documents, since Google reviews evidence when reversing closures. These steps reduce delays and clarify why the closure is incorrect. Now that you're ready with access and documentation, move to editing the listing directly. Next, you edit the listing. If you control the profile, use the Business Profile dashboard to set the status to open, otherwise select Suggest an Edit on Maps. Explain why the closure is wrong, provide dates, nature of the mistake, and short context, because Google prioritizes clear reasons. Upload the proof you collected and submit the change. Once done, Google will review your submission. Make sure to monitor email and the profile for requests for further information during their verification process. Finally, follow up after submission by checking the business profile or the Maps Edits history to see the review status. If Google approves, confirm the permanently closed label is removed and refresh cached views. If the change is denied, escalate. Use Report a Problem in Maps or contact Google Business Profile Support and attach timestamped documentation. One key troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or test from another account to confirm whether you see the live, updated state versus a.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.